Hey, you. Addison. Ooh. Addison. Give Oreo his ball. Thank you. I don't know what that is. Nasty. Give Oreo his ball. Where's Oreo? Give him his ball. Throw the ball. Look. Throw Oreo the ball. Go throw it. Throw it. Throw it to Oreo. Happy birthday, Oreo. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Throw the ball. Throw the ball, Oreo. Throw it. Where are you going? You got to give it to Oreo. Ball. Go get it, Oreo. Go get your ball. My buddy. Hey, Hope. Your birthday's next week. Her birthday. Yep, you'll be 12. Hope's gonna be 12. Hope. Hope, look at me. There's my Hope. You throwing a ball for Oreo? Huh? Tell him to go get it. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? I don't know if I can blow this ball up. Woo! Where you going? Get your ball, Oreo. Get your ball, Oreo. Uh-oh. Look, there's the ball. You throw Oreo the ball? Throw it. Yay! Wait, Oreo, wait. Yeah. Throw it to Oreo. Throw it. Yeah, oh, not in the chair. Get it. Yay! Gracie, please don't kill it. I gotta blow this up. It ain't doing very well. Throw it! Yay! She don't. She got mad a while ago he had it. She thought it was, thinks it's hers. Oh, Gracie!
Stop. What, baby?
Bird. You so cute. Bird. Where's the bird at? She already killed it. It's not as tough as that LSU ball. I'm gonna find him one. Just gotta go. I have to go to the dollar store that has it.
I told you them things come out of nowhere.
Look!
Come here. Oreo,
get off of my sock!